Hey guys, my name is Shabaz and you are watching my YouTube channel Sakcreations. So guys, we are back with latest grand blouse design, and this blouse design's color was a pink color, and combination we are using green color, not a too much green, rama green color. Okay, now we are stitching on the front neck and using dotar needle with the normal gold thread. If you are a beginner, you are use these are needle. It's a very beautiful needle and sharp needle. Okay, and also remember one more thing when you are stitching like this, and stone chain, not a too much gap, just take one stone chain in a one hook. Okay, same as it is stitching, same line. And look at this, and stone chain have lots of quality, but you are using medium quality, and this stone chain gap was the same gap, not a big, not a too much gap. Okay, and right now we are on the back and start to stitching some sugar beads load. First we are stitching round moti flowers in a middle side, then we are start to stitching a sugar beads load. First we are stitching lots of blouses have a silk thread load, but now customer demand is need some sugar beads load in a back neck. And also one more thing I want to tell you about this blouse design. These blouse designs have a back full work, sleeves also full work, and front have a just one border. Front neck have a just one plain border, and back full, and sleeves also full neck. And we are also stitching in the middle side of lots of zigzag. I'll show you with another part. Okay, look at this. Same as it is, we are stitching all flowers, maximum this type of flower in the back neck, maximum 4 flower, I think four flowers. Okay, and more flowers in the back neck, like mango carry type flowers. I'll show you, wait. Okay, and then we are start to stitching on the sleeves, and then now we are sticking some kundan on the sleeves. And if you face any difficulties to understand my English, and any type of problem you face to learning, please do WhatsApp on the same number. My team will help you to learn this word easily, guys. Okay, and WhatsApp help was a no cost, free of charge. Okay, and if you join my classes, online classes, my classes was a paid. Okay, and we are taking classes on Google, and this was a green color combination, and if you are making and also if you red color blouse work, so you can use combination according to your choice. Okay, to, practice same as it is, we are sticking regular all kundans 3 months, and this is a pan easily. Okay, not and a round kundan, this is a pan, and pan have lots of varieties like shape, also shape, and also color. Curry have a middle side of green, same as it is, we are making on a back neck, stone chain, sugar beads, same as it is, we are sticking some flowers on a back neck, and back have a 3 to 4 flowers, round flowers, then mango type flowers, and some leaf on a back neck. And this is a huge bridal blouse design with the full back with the full sleeves, and maximum that type of work maximum range 8k 9k 8 to 9k blouse designs. Okay, and making same as it is, we are sticking kundans and leave for dry. Then kundan was a dry, we are start to stitching zardozi all around the kundan. Okay guys, and if you not understand my English, please adjust, because I am not perfect in English, but I'll still try, because my lots of family members not know Hindi, not understand Hindi. So that's why I'll try to make my tutorials in English. Okay, sugar beads, and now we are start to stitching some leaves on the sleeves. And this needle called 7 number wooden needle. It's not for a beginner, it's only for a pro level. If you are a beginner, you have no idea how to put these needle in hand, you break these needle. So you need iron needle with the same number. Iron needle was too much strong, and wooden needle not too much strong. Okay guys, and downside is this normal thread, gold normal thread, and this is a crystal sugar beads. Sugar beads have a maximum 4 to 5 qualities, but we are using crystal sugar beads. Crystal sugar beads was a little bit expensive, but if you want quality, very good, believe me guys. 7 to 8k, and same sugar beads load we are stitching on our sleeves, same leaf. This is a 6 leaf, and all flowers have a 7 leaf,
one we are start to stitching, then also we are start to stitching 6 more.
So now
okay,
we are start to stitching
and look at this leaf, it's very neat.
Okay.
And I hope
First
you like
you
this
need
video
to,
guys, because
like
I'll do
this
very
type.
hard work for
Okay.
you guys.
Got it?
And now we
Then,
are start to stitching
start
some
to stitching.
zardozi on a leaf,
Same as
and
it is.
we are also using some
Okay,
long
this.
beads on a sleeve,
And we also stitching
and also
zardozi
use
all
green
around
color
the kundan
kundans
and
and
also
gold
all
color
around these
kundans and
long beads,
zardozi.
okay? I'll show
Zardozi
you.
is a very
And, look at this flower,
expensive according to other
and
material,
many more things
and
in this blouse design. And
we are not
also
using too much
fill this gap
in
with
these
the
blouse
zigzag.
designs.
And
Stone
zigzag,
chain,
I think
only stone
we
chain
are
using in a neck
two color
side,
in the zigzag,
neck
one
border,
green color
and
one also
look at these
pink
all
color,
place.
okay?
We are
Same
filled
as
with
it is, we
the
are
zigzag.
stitching all
Zigzag
leaf,
have two
then
color.
we
We
are
are
start to
using. I'll
stitching
show you
another
in
work.
next
I'll tell you
step.
guys.
One
And
green
this is a
and
huge
one I
bridal
think
blouse
self
designs.
color. Okay.
Okay, and new.
Same as it is.
If you
We
want
are
this blouse
stitching
design,
all
just
leaf
WhatsApp on
with
the same number.
this zardozi.
Look at this.
And
And
if you
now
stitching
we are
that type of
sticking green
zardozi, you
color
need to cut
pan.
your zardozi is the long size.
When you
size, okay?
are sticking
And if
like
you want
this
to
type
cover
of
some
pan, you need
kundans,
to
round kundan, so you
leave
need to
pan
cut
for
a little
maximum
bit
10 to
zardozi.
5 minutes for
And if
dry.
you want to
When your blouse
stitching
design
some
kundan
zardozi
was
load,
dry, it's
I think
too
you
much
need
strong.
to
It's very good
cut your zardozi
for long leg blouse designs. If you not
pieces side. Okay.
give
And now we are
maximum
start to
10
stitching some
5
long
minutes
beads
for
on
dry,
sleeves.
I think
Look at
it's
this.
not good for your
And
blouse design.
here
Okay?
all
Also
kundans are
remember,
dry,
this is a very
and
unique tip
we are
for
start to stitching
taking your
some
blouse to long line.
zardozi all around the kundans.
Same
okay?
as it is, we are sticking
And
all
needle
kundans,
size
then
was a
we are
7 number
start to
wooden
stitching
needle.
another
Okay.
work. Okay.
First fill
If you are
all
beginner,
needles,
you need
then
you don't need
start
to do
stitching.
fast. You just
And
do very
same
slowly.
as it is.
But you also
First
remember
upper side was a
if you
hook,
do
then
any work
and
in
not
one time,
in a
you
down
always
side.
remember.
Look
You
at this.
no need to forget.
Then
Okay.
got
And
it.
now we are start
Okay.
to stitching
Always
zardozi
remember.
all around.
And if you
the
face any
kundans and all
difficulties to
around
learn
the
this
long
work, please do
beads.
WhatsApp on the same number.
Zardozi size have a
And I
maximum
know guys, I am
1.5
very
inch
confused
long,
to talk
and
about in
needle
English,
is a
but
7 number
I
wooden
will
needle.
still try for you guys,
And
because I am
also
a
have
not giver.
a iron needle
Never
is the
give up.
same number and
Same as it is,
leaf.
we are stitching all around
Look
the
at this.
sleeves, and also
Right now we
same
are
in the back neck.
not a
Look
sleeves,
at this
and same
huge
as it
bridal
is
blouse design.
stitching on the back neck,
And
also
I love these designs
sleeves.
because this is a
In
this
these blouse
design was the
designs,
first time in my
just
boutique,
one little
so
border.
that's why I'll
And main
explain
work
you
is
everything.
a back
Okay,
and also on the sleeve.
same as it is,
Because
we are
the
sticking some
sleeves look
kundans
very
all
gorgeous
around the
and
sleeves,
also looking
and also in the back
very
neck.
bridal. And that type of work not want everyone customer. It's just maximum some customer want that type of work. Maximum we are making weekly blouse designs, 10 to 15 blouse in the week, like this type of work. But we are making full sleeves work, not a back neck. Back full taking too much time, because if your work have only sleeves full and back just border, maximum taking time 1.5 day. And if you blouse like this, back full and also sleeves full, so I think this is taking too much time. So right now we are start to stitching some zigzag on the sleeves, and zigzag have a little bit use for when your blouse piece are looking so much spacey and look at some gap in the work, so then you need to this that type of work, because a zigzag is a very unique, and a zigzag have a two color, one self and one combination. You need your according choice. Okay, and if you want any type of color and combination as you wish. And this is a very unique, and needle is a dotar needle, not a 7 number. Dotar was a perfect for doing that type of zigzag. Same as it is, you do like a snack round and round and round and round. Look at these blouse designs. This is a huge bridal blouse design, and we are also stitching some more work in downside on the sleeves. I'll show you in the next step. Okay, and if you want to buy this blouse design, and if you want to make your sari blouse design, you just do WhatsApp on the same number. Now we are start to stitching zigzag on a back neck. Same we are already stitching on the sleeves. Same as it is, we are start to stitching on the back neck. Okay, and look at this jerkin flower. We also sticking some jerkin in these flowers, and leave maximum 10 to 15 minutes for dry. When jerkin was dry, it's very strong. Okay, we are fill these all gaps with these are zigzag, and zigzag have a two color, one a green and I think one gold. Yeah, one gold and one green. Same as it is, we are filling all these gap, and we are leave some gap in the back neck because back have a two tucks in the both side, one left side and one right side. Look at this gap, and this gap will fix with the stitching when we are start to stitching. I'll show you this when this blouse design was finished. I'll show you everything about this, how is the work quality and everything about the details. Okay, look at this, and I hope you understand my English, and if you face any type of difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Now we are start to stitching some crystal. Okay, some crystal on the sleeves border, and crystal have a combination color green. Crystal have a not a light color, it's also dark color. Look at this, one sugar beads downside, one sugar beads upside, both side sugar beads, then same as it is. Okay, and now we are using hand needles. This is not a wooden, not a iron needle, this is a hand needle, and it's a very popular in a home use. It's very popular. Same as it is, we are start to stitching another work. I'll show you, and I of course show you this blouse designs final look. Okay, look at this, first one sugar beads, then one crystal, and same as it is stitch like this. Okay, and this is time I'll show you the final blouse design look. Look at this guys blouse design, it's a very beautiful and grand blouse designs, and zigzag looking very beautiful, and also zigzag and some booties and some sugar beads flower, I think looking too much beautiful. And also guys tell me how's the design and how's the my work quality, and also tell me how's the my explanation quality. And if you face any difficulties and if any issues to learning this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And if I will do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me guys, because English was not easy for me talking, because my lots of family members not understand my Hindi, so that's why I'll start to making my tutorials in English. Okay, look at this, this is a back neck, back full work. Look at this, and I'll show you the back neck. Look at this, I think you love this blouse design, and if anyone want to buy this blouse design and book this blouse design, you just to do WhatsApp on the same number. I will make according to your body measurement also, and also same your sari measurement, and this gap will same as it is fill. Okay, this type of fix. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video guys, and if I will do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me guys, because I will try my best always. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you buy this, please do WhatsApp. Thank you, bye.